In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list land on Zillow. 20s and 26 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start the primary application, invite co-applicants, handle fees, make corrections if needed, and fix the most common glitches so everything arrives to the landlord as one clean, unified package. Begin on the targeted rental listing on Zillow. Click apply now or use the request to apply link if your landlord shared one. Inside the application builder, scroll to the Your Household section. Here, carefully indicate how many adult co-applicants will live with you. This step matters because Zillow creates separate, trackable entries for each adult while keeping everyone within a single household submission for the landlord. Next, enter each roommate's or partner's full legal name, phone number, and a valid email address. Double check spellings and typos. Invitations rely on accurate contact details. When you're finished, click Done, adding co-applicants. Zillow will automatically email invitations to everyone you listed. At this point, the primary applicant should complete and submit their own personal section of the application so the process can move forward. When co-applicants receive their email, they need to be careful to avoid account mix-ups. Before clicking the link, they should confirm they are fully logged out of any other Zillow session on that device. Then they can open the invitation link and sign in to their own Zillow account, or create a new one if they don't have it yet. In 2026, each individual pays a $35 application fee. That payment generates a portable Experian credit report and background check that can be reused to apply to unlimited participating properties for 30 days. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the expiration date and use the same account for all applications within that window. If you realize you submitted before adding someone, remember that Zillow locks applications once they reach a landlord's dashboard. To fix this, go to your renter hub and formally withdraw the application. Then return to the listing, click Apply Now, rebuild the application, add the missing co-applicant in the Your Household section, and resubmit. If you are still within the 30-day period, you will not be charged another screening fee. For issues, a read-only view usually means a roommate is accidentally in your account. They should clear cookies, log out completely, then reopen the invite and sign in with their own credentials. If an invite doesn't arrive, check spam or junk folders, and the primary applicant can confirm spelling or resend from the dashboard. That's it. Set up your household correctly, and your landlord receives one organized package with everyone's screenings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.